Welcome to this guide on putting the Tesla Model Y in neutral. The Tesla Model Y is a popular electric SUV that has sold over 1.5 million units since its launch in 2019. This innovative vehicle uses a unique single-speed transmission, unlike traditional cars with multiple gears. Understanding how to put the Model Y in neutral is essential for situations like towing, jump starting, or emergency scenarios where the wheels need to spin freely without motor engagement. This video will guide you through the process using both the touchscreen and gear selector stock methods as of January 2026. This method works on all Model Y models, regardless of the year. First, ensure your vehicle is at a complete stop on a flat surface. Firmly press and hold the brake pedal. On the touchscreen, locate and tap the gear icon, usually at the bottom left. A menu will pop up. Select N for neutral. A confirmation message will appear, and the screen indicator will change to N. You can then release the brake. The car will remain in neutral until you shift back. For Model Ys manufactured from 2022 onwards, a physical gear selector stock offers a quicker method. Bring the vehicle to a complete stop and hold the brake pedal. Push the gear selector stock downwards to the N position. It will click into place. The touchscreen will confirm the shift to neutral. To exit neutral, pull the stock back to D, drive or R, reverse. Safety is paramount when putting your Tesla Model Y into neutral. The system includes several important safeguards to prevent accidents. Neutral can only be selected when the brake pedal is depressed and the vehicle is at a complete stop. This prevents accidental rolling and ensures safe operation. Attempting to accelerate while in neutral will trigger a warning, as the car cannot be driven in this mode. The system protects against unsafe operation. These safety features align with NHTSA guidelines for electric vehicles, ensuring consistent standards across the industry. On the dashboard, the gear selector stock includes these safety confirmations when engaging neutral. Tesla's software updates continue to refine the neutral shifting process in the Model Y. The latest update, version 13.2, includes a neutral assist mode that automatically engages neutral during towing or when you have a flat tire. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual or Tesla app for the most up-to-date instructions. Tesla frequently pushes over-the-air updates that may alter the process, so staying current is important. Some Tesla Model Y owners have reported temporary glitches with neutral engagement, especially after software updates. These issues are typically resolved by simply restarting the vehicle's system. If you encounter delays in neutral confirmation appearing on the touchscreen, first ensure your vehicle's software is fully up to date. You can also check Tesla community forums for known bugs or user-reported solutions. Remember to always prioritize safety when troubleshooting any vehicle issues. When you engage neutral in your Tesla Model Y, it disengages the drive system, allowing the wheels to spin freely. However, regenerative braking remains fully active, capturing kinetic energy and converting it back into battery power during deceleration. In neutral, your Model Y experiences only minimal battery drain since the electric motor isn't actively powering the vehicle. However, if left in neutral for more than 30 minutes, the car's systems may trigger low-voltage alerts to protect the battery from excessive discharge. When towing your Model Y, engaging neutral reduces the load on the electric motor compared to staying in drive mode. This can help conserve battery power during the tow, making it more efficient. Always follow Tesla's specific towing guidelines and use caution in these situations. The future of neutral in Tesla vehicles involves increased autonomy and smart integration. Full self-driving software may allow supervised neutral engagement during parking maneuvers. Future models could feature AI-driven neutral suggestions, such as automatically shifting to neutral when a tow truck is detected. Experts foresee Tesla potentially phasing out physical stocks in favor of gesture-based or voice-controlled neutral engagement.